Okay, today we're going to start talking about stock market. We'll see how this works on the virtual aspect here, but we'll try and give you a tutorial on this and buy some fake stocks here over the next few days. So today we're going to look at how to read a stock quote online. So this is a stock for Nike, Nike Incorporated. The symbol is NKE. You notice it's traded on the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. So some important things there. Right now, you can see that the asking price is $129.82. You can see here this green number says it's up 217 today. So again, 129.82 up 217 a day. And this will keep changing if you stay on here and then watch this. All right, so as we go along here, this is a chart of the day. You can also move it to 6 months to see that it's upward. This is a good stock right here to invest in. Notice it's gone up from April 7th at $84 all the way up to now, in the last 6 months, $129 today. So we want to see these stocks again go up. The mantra for buying stocks is you want to buy low and you want to sell high. Buy low, sell high. So this right here will give you a little bit more, what it's doing on a yearly basis, 6 month, 1 month. Here you can see that the year again has generally gone up. The stock market usually returns an average of 13% per year. Again, so you kind of want to keep your stocks in there, your money in there. You don't want to just pull it out as soon as it goes down. So a little bit more here of some different things I want you to know about. Here is the previous close was 127.65. Today it opened at 128.40. The days range, so from today, it's ranged anywhere from $128.39 to $130.29. And here you can see in the last year, 52 weeks is a year, the last year, it's $60 has been the lowest price, $130 has been, and 44 cents has been the highest price in the last year. So yes, it's on the higher end of this number here. We'd like to buy it more when it's closer to this end, but it is close to this one right now. The thing with Nike, what it's done quite a bit is it splits. So if you have 100 shares of Nike at $50, it might split into two, and then you'd have basically 200 shares at $25. Sometimes that happens, so maybe that's why this is maybe a little bit higher here. The volume, so how many have been traded today? Right there, the 2 million range. Average volume is in the 6 million range. So these are some stocks that, this is just one stock that I want you to look at, Nike, again. Other stocks that I want you to kind of think about and we're going to be buying, how can you find them? How do you know what is good to search? We've got to find some of these. You can type in the symbol up here if you know what the symbol is. Like I know the symbol for Harley Davidson is HOG. So I type in HOG, click on it, and then the information will come up for Harley Davidson. Again, that's $27.87. That's the price right now. You can see it's up today. This is a new thing that I've just noticed here. This says a bearish pattern detected. So the stock market is sometimes referred to as a bull market or a bear market, depending on how stocks are going. A bear market, and we'll talk about this in the next couple of weeks, is maybe on the downward trend, where a bull market is going to be on the upward trend. So this one says that a bearish pattern is detected there. Okay. So again, we know that some of these we got to find out where some other ones might be at, and I think they've moved these on me. So here under markets, you can go for stock gainers. You can look at that, see what stocks have gained the most maybe. You can see some here, talks about the name of them here. Here's the symbol for them right there. Again, maybe another one that everybody always likes to look at is Apple. So if I go to Apple, maybe not. Try this again. There's Apple. Notice that's $115.21 right now as well. Okay. So I'll go back to the finance. Again, the website I'm using is a Yahoo Finance. The website is finance.yahoo.com. It's usually been pretty good for me. You can use Google as well. They're gonna do the same thing. They're watching the same stuff. You notice down here that the U.S. markets closed in 1 hour 43 minutes. That means it's going to close at 3 o'clock our time. I'll have to look for where the list of all the stocks are at and hopefully put that on my next video. Okay? That's just an introductory part to the stock market and reading stocks and reading stock quotes online. So I will have a worksheet with this I want you to practice with. And then we'll start buying some stocks hopefully next couple days.